Have you been searching for a single level Aptos home that's close to town, spacious interior, and tons of beautiful acreage? Guess what? You are going to love this home. This home features a single level 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, plus a detached bonus space. You'll love all of the skylights that add tons of natural light. Imagine waking up to your own tranquil oasis. From the koi pond to waterfall, stamped flagstone patio, you will love this place. This setting is magical. You'll appreciate this morning coastal fog, the afternoon sun, and these idyllic mountain views. This detached bonus space adds tons of possibilities. This property is zoned agriculture and already has livestock pens here. This property features over 2.8 acres, and you may be wondering, Kaylin, but is any of it usable? Do you think this is usable? How about this? Or this? The private well tested at 13 gallons per minute, which by the way is amazing, and tons of parking. This setting may make you feel like you are in a state park. Nisene Marks is so close by, while you're also close to Aptos Village with shops, dining, and groceries, and let's not forget how close you are to Rio Del Mar Beach. Here at this location, everything is at your fingertips. Thanks so much for touring today. My name is Kaylin Wagner-Marsh with Keller Williams Thrive Santa Cruz, and I'm so excited to show you this home in person. If you'd like to see it, give us a call and reach out directly.